Hi everyone, my youngest son loves eating octopus. You'd know this if you had watched my latest Tet Festival video, that's what he had ordered when we were there. So when I saw this package of octopus fried rice at Costco in the freezer section, I had to get it for him. There weren't that many bags left at my Costco as they were being clearanced out. I'm sure they'll be back sometime later this year. On the company's website it states that this fried rice is made with spicy and sweet gochujang sauce and contains succulent octopus pieces. Under the product info, it says that this fried rice consists of rice, chicken breast, onions, green bell peppers, scrambled eggs, zucchini, carrots, leeks, corn oil, red bell pepper, peppers, refined salt, garlic and cabbage. But wait, if it also contains chicken pieces, then how come the bag doesn't mention chicken on the front of the bag? Shouldn't it be called chicken and octopus fried rice instead of just octopus fried rice? This inquiring mind wants to know. LOL. Inside the bag are 7 pouches of the fried rice. I like that the fried rice comes in these small pouches as it makes it easy to portion control. They weren't kidding when they stated spicy on the bag. The whole family was breathing fire out of our mouths. LOL. But we all liked it. If you find the fried rice to be too spicy, then you can simple mix in some white rice. Like an idiot, I forgot to press record on my camera, but I had just dumped 2 pouches of the octopus fried rice into the pan. It says on the bag that you can either microwave the fried rice or cook it on the stove. I haven't tried microwaving the fried rice as I typically like to reheat fried rice on the stovetop. Oh, I don't know if microwaving this item would make it taste as good. It only takes a few minutes to cook the fried rice as you're basically just heating it up. There's very little octopus in this fried rice, though the octopus is tender as stated on the bag and not overly chewy. This is Korean fried rice, so it is typically wetter than Chinese fried rice and so not as dry. You can top your fried rice with a fried egg and some kimchi on the side. I had a Vietnamese pork roll in the fridge, so I just added some of it to this meal to help with the spiciness. That's it, all done, quick and simple. We can now plate it. I find this fried rice to be incredibly flavorful, spicy and delicious, but a tad salty as it is high in the sodium department. I rate this product an 8 out of 10. I have garnished the fried rice with some chopped green onions to add some freshness to this meal. Overall, I think that it is an excellent product and a great value for a quick and convenient meal.